Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we've got a cool one for all you rooted Android users out there. We're going to show you how to install the Moto Widget Magisk Module, bringing those sleek Moto widgets to your device. If you've always admired the clean and functional design of Motorola widgets and wished you could have them on your non-Moto phone, then this video is for you. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. These are crucial steps to ensure a smooth installation. You'll need a rooted Android device with Magisk, KernelSU, APatch, or Kitsune Mask already installed. You need minimum Android version 8 to install and use this module. Finally, and this is critically important, you must have the Moto Core Magisk Module installed first. As we just mentioned, this is step 1. Navigate to the download link for the Moto Core Magisk Module, which you'll find in the description below. Download the zip file. Then, open your Magisk, KernelSU, APatch, or Kitsune Mask app. Go to the Modules section, tap Install from Storage, and select the Moto Core zip file. Flash it, and do not reboot yet. Now, you'll need to download the correct Moto Widget Module file. Once you've downloaded the correct Moto Widget Module zip file, open your Magisk, KernelSU, APatch, or Kitsune Mask app again. Go back to the Modules section, tap Install from Storage, and select the Moto Widget Module zip file you just downloaded. Flash this module as well. If you're using KernelSU, there's one extra, very important step to ensure the modules function correctly. You'll need to go into your KernelSU app settings. Look for an option called Unmount Modules by default and make sure to disable it after both modules are installed successfully. Once your device reboots, unlock your phone and head over to your home screen. Long press on an empty area of your home screen to bring up the widgets option. Scroll through your available widgets, and you should now find the beautiful Moto widgets ready for you to use. Drag and drop them onto your home screen to customize your layout. That's it for this video. If you found this guide helpful and are now enjoying those awesome Moto widgets, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, custom ROM guides, and rooted device tutorials. Let us know in the comments below. If you have any questions during the installation process, your feedback helps us create better content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.